I'm going to be showing you how you can use baking soda and olive oil to maintain that youthful, smooth skin you've always wanted. Welcome back, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me and for listening to me today and for coming down here to watch this video. This remedy is going to be helpful for every single person. I'm not leaving anybody else. Male, female, young, elderly, whatever age gap, whatever age range you might be, this is something that you will find very beneficial. You need just two things, which I believe you might have in your home, hopefully. I try to get ingredients that people can easily come by, and that is why I share different remedies to let you know that this thing you're using can work for you to achieve these results. This other thing you're using can also be used to achieve the same results. So we are all leading to the same place, but we might just take different routes and we might use different means. I'm going to be showing you how you can use baking soda and olive oil to maintain that youthful, smooth skin you've always wanted. I hardly use chemical products on my skin. From my soap to my lotion to even my skincare regimen. And skincare is something that is a lifestyle. That is why we keep on talking about it. It's not something that you start one day and you end there. Even the people that have the most excellent skin, the most beautiful skin, need to keep up doing something to maintain their skin. Whether you're using cosmetic products, whether you're going through the routes of surgery or whatever, it's something that requires maintenance. And even if you're using natural products as well, it's also something that requires maintenance. You just don't start it and you stop and you think that you've achieved your aim. Nah, it doesn't work that way. You have to keep on doing it. Olive oil and baking soda are two ingredients that I believe most homes have. That is why I like subscribing to this. Olive oil and baking soda, goodness guys, the combination of these two things is going to help you greatly. It will exfoliate your skin, getting rid of all those dead skin cells. It will slide away all those impurities, the germs, the dirt. Things settle on our skin every single time. We can't see it. It's just with the aid of a microscope that you can see all those things. But as I'm talking to you now, there are many things in the air that I can't even see. And these things settle down on your skin. They even go into your system, your organs and everything. So you need to get rid of all those toxins and all those impurities. So guys, just keep on watching this video so that I will show you how you can use baking soda and olive oil to get the perfect smooth skin you've always wanted. I promise you, if you use this regularly, if you maintain the use of these ingredients, you're going to have that very youthful skin. People will not believe your age. They won't know how old you really are. If you tell them you're at this age, they'll be like, are you for real? It's just about maintenance. You don't just live yourself. It's just about having a strict regimen and abiding by it. Whatever you can do, just do it. So just continue watching this video. You don't want to miss anything. I'll show you guys in a bit. So guys, our first ingredient is going to be baking soda, otherwise known as bicarbonate of soda. This is something that I believe many homes will have. You use it for so many things. The original use for baking soda is for baking, as the name suggests, but you can use it for many other things. It's good to use it in your drainage. It helps to get rid of smells, unwanted smells. It's good for so many uses around the house. And for skin care, baking soda is very good. It's an alkaline substance. It helps to manage our pH levels in our bodies. Baking soda also contains anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. This is why it is actually in many over-the-counter creams for skin irritation, mild rashes, acne. Don't be surprised, you'll find baking soda in many of your skincare over-the-counter products. Is in a lot of all these cosmetic products. Baking soda is very good for acne, because acne is one of the most common skin conditions most people experience in their lifetime. At one point or the other, many of us have experienced acne. This is when your pores become clogged from natural oils, bacteria and etc. So baking soda is one very good tool that can help to fight acne from your body. If you have acne breakouts, baking soda also helps to soothe the inflammation and the pain that comes with the acne. That is why we are going to be using baking soda. Guys, we're also going to be using olive oil for our skincare treatment. Olive oil is also used for cooking, but it does a lot more than that. Olive oil is also very good because It blocks about 20% of the sun's harmful sun rays that come onto our skin. It does this by boosting your skin's natural sun blocking proteins. Olive oil contains a fat called squalene, and this fat is the skin's most important protective fat. So if you want to protect your skin from sun rays, from harmful substances, from toxins, olive oil is one of your best bets because of the fat it contains. It contains this squalene, which helps to protect your skin, and it is one of the skin's most important protective fats. Olive oil is also very rich in vitamins. It has antioxidant properties. It moisturizes and it fights bacteria, and it's actually like a very light oil. It won't settle a lot on your skin and cause a lot of clogging onto your skin like some other oils might do. So to start this treatment, I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is just like a test. I'll do 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and I'll take 1 teaspoon of my olive oil. I'll just mix this together. How this works for you is to work like an exfoliator and at the same time moisturizing your skin. But please, whenever you do these treatments, don't do this every single day. Baking soda might be too harsh on your skin as well. I will tell you the truth, because you don't need to do this every single day. It might be too harsh for you. So I'll just tell you to do this. If at all you want to do this treatment, do this once a week. Doing this once a week is totally okay for you. You can exfoliate your skin that way, and to also moisturize your skin. When you've mixed it like so, let's just assume this is my face. I use it for other parts of my body as well, not just on my face. You can just apply this like so in circular motions. Be gentle so that it does not like give you marks or cause like bruises on your skin. So when you just like apply it this way, you leave it for about 3 minutes to 5 minutes, then you rinse it off with some lukewarm water and you apply your moisturizer. So apply this on your face, you can apply this on your legs, you can apply this on your hands, any part of your body basically is totally fine for you. It will make your body very smooth, it will make it youthful, it will get rid of wrinkles and acne, fine lines, and to make your body like very rejuvenated. So guys, my baking soda and my olive oil treatment is something that anybody can use. Like I said earlier on, male, female, young, old, elderly, anybody can use it basically, but always do a patch test first to be sure that it is okay for you to apply all over your body. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, kindly share this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already for many amazing videos like this. I'll see you in subsequent ones. Bye.